Hello friends, welcome back again to Madjid fragrance channel for reviewing and describing fragrances. Today we're gonna talk about Burberry Touch for Men, this fragrance that have been released in 2000 by the house of Burberry. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to get always our news. Stay tuned. Welcome back again. So, Burberry Touch for Men was released in 2000 by the house of Burberry. This fragrance, the Touch, is classified as woody floral musk fragrance for men. This scent can be wear in all seasons, and the nose behind this fragrance was Jean-Pierre Bitwart. Okay, before we jump to describing the smell and my experience regarding this fragrance, let me show you the box and how it comes. The box came like this. Came like this in this box. As you see with me here, the sign of Burberry. It's open like this. It's open like this. We have here this strap. It's open like this. As you see with me, really the presentation, I love it. I love how it's gone. As you see with me here, I never see something like that before. In the front side, we have here Burberry Touch for Men, and here we have Eau de Toilette natural spray vaporizer. So this fragrance came in Eau de Toilette, and it comes in 3 cc, the 30 milliliter and the 50 milliliter and the 100 milliliter. Here for me I have 50 milliliter. On the back side of the box we have Burberry fragrance and some informations made in France. In the other 2 sides, nothing, just these lines of Burberry. In the bottom, also some details, and in the top, as you see, and in the front, this strap that hold here. Okay, this is the box. Now let me jump with you to the bottle of the fragrance. The bottle is a beautiful design. As you see with me, the juice is a little bit bluish. It's a watery or ozonic color. I like it. Here in the bottom we have this informations, the batch code and something like that. As you see with me, the cup is very secure. It secured the bottle. Here this bottle, it came in a woody cup. I love how it's come and how it's hold the bottle. Yeah, it's very good. It's secure and something like that. The sprays came in gray color. I will show you right now how it's sprayed. See with me. 1, 2. The spray is very well. It's good. Wow. Very beautiful opening. Now let me tell you about how it smells. This fragrance, when you spray it, you will definitely smell a beautiful opening. This fragrance, it doesn't contain any alcohol and any obvious alcohol in the opening. So this fragrance is very, very, very clean. I very recommend this fragrance. Okay, this is the opening. In the opening, in the first time, as I said, this fragrance can be used in all seasons and in all occasions also. The scent of Burberry Touch, it's open with violet leaf and artemisia with mandarin orange. After that, in the middle note, we have nutmeg with cedar and white pepper. And in the base, we have white musk with tonka beans and vetiver. In the first time when you spray it, you will get some fresh spicy opening mixed with some ozonic notes. The ozonic notes are very, very obvious with fresh spices, and the scent become more woody and powdery and green when this fragrance dry. There is also some warm spices become from the pepper, and also some vanilla. I think the sweetness become from the tonka beans that in the base note. Burberry Touch is one of the powdery scents that I have smelled in my collection. This one is a powdery scent. If you love powdery scent like Dior Homme or Prada L'Homme, this one it will give you that powdery scent. The purpose or the use of this fragrance, it can be used in closed space. Closed space is, so if you are work in closed space, this one gonna stick with you and it will give you beautiful vibes, and no one will hate your smell. When we see the longevity of this fragrance, it's good, or it's better than other powdery scents. This one have long-lasting fragrance longevity with moderate to strong sillage. Burberry Touch or Burberry Touch for Men is beautiful fragrance. Regarding the smell, I give it 9 from 10. The presentation, how it's come, I give it 9.5 from 10, and the performance, I give it 9 from 10. In general, this one is very beautiful. I recommend it for people who love to wear office fragrances. This one is your choice, and it's your better choice. So that is what we have today, Burberry Touch. Thank you, my lovers, for watching this episode. Today we discuss with you Burberry Touch for Men by the House of Burberry. If you like this video, please give me a thumb like to let this video reach other people, to help them to get the best fragrance for them. And if you have any questions, tell me in comments. Thank you. See you in next video.